Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Poonama Goes Abroad. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं how to shortlist universities. It's a very crucial thing that you should know and understand it step by step so that you can do it right as well. Once you have decided the country of your choice and you've set your eyes on it, अब time है आपका university select करने के लिए. So there are 10 things that you should keep in mind while going ahead and selecting the universities. Number one is start with the best universities of the choice of your country. Suppose I am going to UK, I had started with the top 10 universities in UK. मेरे पास 10 universities का list आ गया, right? Now, keep that list in mind and then do other research. Research about how the global ranking of your university is. कि globally आपकी university 200 top 200 या top 300 universities में आ रही है या नहीं आ रही है, right? Number three is what you have to do is you have to check for your specific course if the university of your choice has the right curriculum, has the right set of offerings that they are making in the course and the duration of the course, everything. You have to go ahead and check all of that. So for me, जैसे UK में 1 साल का मास्टर्स होता है, I went ahead and I read about MSc marketing and I searched Manchester University, University of Manchester, MSc Marketing. So वो university का page open होता है and then you can read about the careers जो उसके अंदर curriculum है, you can read about that. So it will give you a complete aspect of how your university is going to be aligning that course for you. ठीक है? Then it is very important. See, for me, it was very important to look at the ROI of the city and the university, and it was a collective choice with the city and the university. So you have to go ahead and check for the opportunities वहाँ पे जो present है. You can check for part-time jobs, full-time jobs, and all of that. And that research you have to do on your end, right? आप वेबसाइट चेक कर सकते हो सपोज indeed.com एंड वहां पे यूके का लोकेशन लगा के यू कैन चेक read.co.uk. Then LinkedIn is also a good option and Glassdoor. Yeah. So all of these platforms can help you in understanding the number of jobs present there, the pay that you're getting for those jobs, the skills that are required. Is your course aligning with those skills or not? एंड व्हाट एल्स डू यू नीड टू लर्न, राइट? तो ये सारी चीजें हो गई. अब इसके बाद यू हैव टू चेक द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग ऑल्सो. सपोज यू सेलेक्ट अ यूनिवर्सिटी इन द मेन सिटीज, जैसे लंदन में मैंने कोई यूनिवर्सिटी सेलेक्ट कर ली, बट द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग इन लंदन इज वेरी हाई, राइट? सो विल दैट बी एबल टू अलाइन विद माई बजट? मेरे बजट में वो फिट होगा या नहीं? अगर मुझे जाते ही पार्ट टाइम जॉब नहीं मिली तो हाउ विल आई सर्वाइव? तो ये सारी चीजें दिमाग में रख के यू हैव टू फाइनलाइज द सिटी एंड द यूनिवर्सिटी साथ साथ में. ओके, सो फूड, रेंट, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, यूटिलिटीज वगैरह सब कुछ दिमाग में. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई want to go for Manchester or Bristol. मतलब as compared to London, Manchester, Leeds, Bristol, these are a little on the lower side of the expenses. ठीक है? Very important now. अब बात आती है ट्यूशन फीस की, द मेन थिंग जिसके ऊपर आपका पूरा एजुकेशन लोन एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स, राइट? कि आप कितने का एजुकेशन लोन लोगे डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर ट्यूशन फी. सो बेसिकली आपको करना ये है कि ट्यूशन फी मोर ओवर, जैसे यूके यूनिवर्सिटीज में आई रियलाइज दैट देयर वाज अ ट्रेंड और देयर वाज अ स्पेसिफिक फिगर दैट वाज मोस्टली कॉमन फॉर ऑल यूनिवर्सिटीज. थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे was there. But then what I also realized that different universities have different scholarships. Abhi scholarships can definitely make your tuition fee very lesser, or they can keep it as much as it is. तो scholarships बहुत important है. You have to consider scholarships also of the university that you're shortlisting. अब उसके बाद क्या होता है कि इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपने यूनिवर्सिटी सेलेक्ट कर ली, बट नाउ यू हैव टू चेक द रिक्वायरमेंट्स कि आपका प्रोफाइल उससे अलाइन कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑल्सो अगेन कि इफ यू गेट अ चांस देन स्पीक टू द alumni of the college of the, you can find them on LinkedIn, on different platforms, and if you apply also for the universities, You also get emails where you can connect with the older students from that college. So ye thi 10 most important things that you should keep in mind while shortlisting the universities. So what I did was I went to Google, I went to ChatGPT, I went to Gemini, I went to the university, particular university websites. हर जगह मैंने जाके रिसर्च किया, मैंने जितने लोग जो भी यूके वगैरह में अवेलेबल है उनसे पूछा. So this is what you can do. You can connect with your network, you can check about the university, you can LinkedIn पे आपको बहुत सारे लोग मिल जाएंगे from that university, so you can do that. तो मैंने भी ये सब चीजें करी. And after that only I finalized my universities. I will also I will also recommend that sirf on the basis of the ranking of the university you should not go ahead and finalize it or drop it, because rankings matter करती हैं. And अगर आपका कॉलेज ऑलरेडी 200 टॉप 200 यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड में आता है तो फिर आई थिंक दैट्स नॉट अ मैटर टू वरी अबाउट. इट्स मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट दैट यू see how the course is aligning with you, how the city is aligning with you, and how the lifestyle and the culture is aligning with you, right? So that was all about today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope this helped you. अगर थोड़ा सा भी हेल्प हुआ हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड subscribe to my channel because it will help me create more such videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.